Are you having problems with ChatGPT not working? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be to actually go into the ChatGPT, of course, and as you can see, I'm currently on ChatGPT right now on my mobile, and the first step is going to be, if you are, for example, on your mobile and it's not working on your mobile right now, then the best thing will be to try firstly is to actually switch to your computer instead. So if you're using your mobile, just try it on your computer instead, or like the other way around, and see if that will actually work for you. And if it does not work for you, well, then the second method is going to be to actually just switch the browser. So for example, if you're using like Firefox or any other browser out there, just switch to another browser, for example, Google Chrome or something like that, and try it and see if that will work. If that still does not solve this issue and ChatGPT is still not working for you, well, that could be like a lot of reasons for that. The number one reason is that there could be like too many people using it as of right now, and that is why you are not able to use it. And the second method, or the second reason, could be that the ChatGPT is not available in your country, maybe. And yeah, that like the second thing to fix that would probably be to maybe have a VPN or something like that. But the first method, if it's too many people that actually use ChatGPT right now, well, then you can either try to actually get ChatGPT Premium if you can like pay for it, and that will basically solve this issue right away. Or the other way is to just wait it out, basically. Just wait a couple of minutes, and in some cases it is a couple of hours, but just wait and see, like try again and see basically if you can access ChatGPT again. So basically, this is probably like the ways that you can actually try to do. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.